What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are actually at a friend's house today. Brentley is building something that you'll probably be pretty interested in if you're into old cars, so let's go check it out.
So this is my 1979 C3 Corvette project. I started by building the LS engine you see on the frame. It's just a regular truck, 5.3 LS, and I overhauled it for boost, painted it gold, and left for the military. So that took 3 years out of my project, but when I came back, I was like, it's time to start it back up again. So I tore the frame down to the bare metal, cleaned it up just like how you're supposed to do it, and painted it black with rust coating and started bolting all the new parts on. So in the back, I got a stock C3 fuel tank. I'll probably end up changing that out for a fuel cell when I run E85. I did some research and found out that the Camaro rear subframe mounts up to the C3 main frame perfectly from the two bolts right here. So very little modification and welding is needed to get this subframe. I chose the Camaro because the differential is way stronger than the 1979 C3 differential. Tremec T56 Magnum transmission is able to withstand 800 horsepower in a 4,000-pound vehicle, and I plan to have this car in the 2,900 to 3,100 pound range, so it could handle significantly more torque. Mounted the engine up, everything looks good. If we come over to the front, I ditched the old suspension from the C3 and went with a tubular control arm front suspension with QA1 coilovers and a Willwood big brake kit. Ran the brake lines, and yeah, that's about it. Just need a few more parts here and there, and I'll be able to mount the body back on there. Get some body work done, and hopefully I'll have it on the road within the year, maybe.
So we've been looking forward to this project for a while. This is something he's been talking about for quite some time, just like the Toyota that I mentioned in my last video. I'm really excited about him getting this finished, and hopefully he'll bring it by the shop so we can check it out there too. I'm really excited to see this thing on the road. Wrapping up an oil change on Madden's Mazda right now, and then we're gonna get to work on the Corvette. Just a little something. It's gonna make it sit just a little lower.
I need to start charging you for labor.
Hey, this time I'm helping.
Bit of a predicament we didn't think about. The jack is just the right height to get underneath the car, but we're lowering it. So if we lower the car, then the jack's gonna be stuck under the car. So trying to figure that one out.
Good.
No, you can't see it, but maybe you can hear it. It's 8 p.m. as you can tell. Very dark outside, and this guy over here is mowing his yard.
I'm watching video just to make sure. So I don't. Which one did you watch, Bradley?
I don't remember.
K&D's Garage?
It was the guy that was moving in 3 times speed.
Is it 5 minutes?
Yeah.
So it should just take us 5 minutes then.
Yeah.
This is optional. You don't need to do this, but I highly recommend it. It makes it a whole lot easier.
Mine's getting better right here. You can see it. Pretty rough.
Everything's broken.
What do you mean?
The wiring, the intake.
How did the wires get broken?
He swapped out the wiring harness.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Messed it up?
I don't think he messed it up, but there's some things missing.
What y'all think about this big toolbox Bentley bought me?
It's a nice one.
Well, y'all just keep leaving pennies out here. I guess I'd pick them up one at a time.
But I think supercharged.
You know I had to look at it.
Can this guy stop vlogging and show me how to work on it? So here are the bolts we're putting in. Should lower it. I don't know. I forgot what it said, but it should be at least an inch. So until I can get coilover or something, it'll be a decent change. And I won't be wasting that much money. So it should be good.
I gotta go over to the other place and get some ratchets.
We can just go.
This one. The one I'm using right now is a star, not a triangle.
Triangle? I think that's a triangle.
A
Hexagon?
square.
It ain't a square. It's a triangle, I think. Something like that. This is taking forever.
If it doesn't work the first time, get a bigger hammer.
When we get the garage built, we're buying some power tools.
Quality of life is definitely going to be a big focus at the new shop. We do have some power tools at our disposal, but to keep it going for you guys, I had to steal the extension cord.
Yeah. But I don't know if we could use that. Little piece.
You should be fine to twist it with your hand.
I don't know about that.
You need me to come to do it for you.
Probably.
I won the race. Look at how lopsided that is. You said you bought this thing from an older man?
Yeah.
He must have been racing this thing. Let me see. Where's the old one? It'll lower it about a millimeter. I'd say about a...
But we could change the height, guys. Come on. Because if you go higher, it's gonna go
If you thread it up inside
all the way and
it's
then a
gonna
couple
go lower.
threads. Yeah.
I
Because
mean,
this is
I can-
halfway up already. You can see where it was if you look.
I can go get the micro calipers out. No, they need to be replaced anyway because they're cracked. Hold on.
We got Loctite or something?
No, I got a thread lubricant. It'll be alright.
So I'll just push this down. Stick this up under it. Slowly start threading this thing out. Gotta make sure.
We can leave it all the way out and have a lifted Corvette.
There we go. Alright guys, we got it going.
This has an LS3 in it, right?
LS2.
Two.
Well, you sound
So it's
disappointed.
not fast. You're practicing your shifting?
Yeah, I'm pretty good now. I was always good. But listen.
You just a little bit better?
Yeah, I mean, I was already good, but
So it's not fast. We're all human.
bro don't even know what he's doing. What would we use to take out the tires? It was like the that cross that had like the 16, 18, 20, 22 size. Remember that one? You had one, and I always use it to take off the tires.
I don't even remember
It
where
was
that
like-
came from.
It probably came out of a car. Because, I mean, that's usually used, like, to change into your spare. That's all we had. Are you about to ugga it?
I was gonna race you to put the wheel on, but you saw me get the gun.
Somebody backfired out here.
Put your board on your wheel. You gotta do the back. We can leave it like that.
I think you gotta wait for it to sit.
You don't.
You gotta let them like.
Is it lower?
I mean, you gotta let it sit, bro.
Oh, okay. How tall was it before?
Probably better not to know.
Let's see.
Pull up the tape measure. No, it's not. You gotta put some weight on it or something.
Put some weight on it. Let's see what the back is. 28. So what is this?
It's also
28 minus 2. 26. So it's lower. 2 inches. That's good.
Well, yeah, but it's supposed to fix the gap.
Gap? What gap? Like you don't want a gap at all?
I mean, it's gonna lower a little bit.
It is. 26 and 28.
You see the toe? The camber? Let's do the back, I guess.
I should take that off.
I hate these doors. But you can only get 2 big of them now. When I first put it under there, you could fit 4.
See?
So now you can't see my dry rotted tires.
You need to get new tires.
Can you give me $1,000?
No.
Worth a try.
You got it? You need help?
Now it's play the game of find the right size. The 2 bolts right there. Do you have the 13mm over there?
Yes. I'm using it.
See that good MagnaFlow exhaust down there? Really?
Yeah. You know what would make it better?
No exhaust?
If you cut it off. I got a Sawzall and we already got it jacked up.
We have that C5 exhaust still.
The dealership didn't want that back?
No.
Did they say anything about that extra bolt I left in the transmission?
I guess not.
That was a joke, by the way. don't put that in the video.
I got 1. Did you get 2 of them out?
Yep.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, it looks like we gotta pull the transmission. While we're at it, might as well pull the motor.
Might as well pull the top off too, and that left tail light. Really, you got a jack under your side?
A jackhammer?
Do you have a jack under your side?
No.
How'd you get yours out then?
I just pulled the bolt out. I used a wrench
Yeah, to like leverage it out?
to push it while I was wiggling it. You know what I mean?
No.
Push
Here,
it
you do it then. Does this have one of those stupid locking nuts in it?
Nope.
You sure?
Yes. I mean, it's got the thing
It
in
does
it.
have it.
What are you talking about, locking nut?
It's got the Allen wrench guy in it.
I didn't know that guy was in there.
What are you doing over there? Oh. Not bad. Worst part, the cleanup.
You're gonna clean up nothing.
Yeah, we did.
Just get your tools, because I'm gonna be out here. I'm gonna be out here all weekend.
That wasn't that bad. Got that on lock. All right. Done.
Time. What time is it? It's about 8:57. Alright, let's drop the rear end, back it off, and let's see if it's lowered.
I'm telling you, we're gonna have to wait till like tomorrow.
That don't make sense to me.
Cause the shocks.
Why do
have
we
to,
gotta
like-
wait till tomorrow for it to get lower?
It's got a load, Brentley.
What time is it? Actually, 11:56. Tomorrow's in 4 minutes. And it looks higher.
I'm telling you, gotta let see it.
So it did take us a little while, them more than me. I did all the filming this time. It looks a little lower in the front. Not
It's
so
gotta
much in the
settle,
back.
It's gotta settle.
According to Garen, it's got to settle, so we'll see tomorrow. But that's going to be it for today's video. We had a long day. You guys let me know what you think. Does it look lower or does it look about the same? We hope you guys enjoyed wrenching with us. We're probably going to put this to rest for the night. But hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Peace. Quick update. It actually scraped coming out of the garage, so it is indeed lower.
It's settling. It's settling.
26 inches in the front according
Started
to
at 28.
the tape measure.
Drop 2 inches. The backside dropped 2 inches.
27. It's settling.
It's settling.
It's settling.
I mean, if it dropped 2 inches up there, it's gonna drop 2 inches back in.
Yeah.
We'll see.
We couldn't tell a visual difference, but it didn't scrape going in the garage, but it did scrape coming out. So we definitely lowered it at least an inch or so.